Hi, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I want to talk about the five things that you can do if you are not been making money online. And I want to introduce you to this, and which is very, very simple. It's not something that is complex that you need to learn for 3 or 5 months, or you need to spend a lot of money on it before you can begin to make money. I will be talking about these five things that you can start doing without spending a lot of money. So the first thing that I will ask you to do this year is to plan everything that you need to do, because planning, when you are failed to plan, you are planned to fail. So you need to start your year with plan. And what I mean purposely about planning is about to set your goal. What are you trying to achieve this year? You should learn how to plan. You can plan for yourself, or you can help others, or help your friends to plan their business. You can help them to plan their life, whatever they want to achieve this year also. So the first thing that you need to do, or you need to do, or you need to know how to do to make money this year, is to learn how to sell. How to sell. If you can be able to learn how to sell anything, you will have a lot of money, or you will make a lot of money this year. Majority of people are thinking on how to manufacture on the product, or how to import products from China or from any other part of the world. But what you need to do is not to copy them or follow them importing. What you just need to do is to know how to sell. A lot of people have a different type of goods in their warehouse. They are thinking on how to sell this product. If you learn how to sell, and you can sell anything, you will be making money from this. This is the first thing that you can do and make a lot of money this year. The second thing that I will love you to do is to learn how to be a content creator. And what I'm saying about a content creator, maybe if you know how to produce a video, you can you are not shy away from camera. You are not kind of person that when they see camera, they're becoming freaks. What you can do, if you know how to produce video, you can make a lot of money on it. As you know, many people are making a lot of millions from YouTube by merely post video online. YouTube can try it also. What you just need to learn is to look at what people really want and give it to them in a straight and accurate manner. The third thing that you can do this year that can help you to make a lot of money is to learn how to trade. How to trade. You can learn how to trade on cryptocurrency, or learn how to trade forex. Many people, when they hear the word forex, they become freaks. They become afraid. They think that everything concerning forex is about fraud. Mind you can make a lot of money from forex if you know how to do it very well. Forex is one of the major ways to make money online. If you are serious and you want to go for it, you could need to learn the basic of this trading. The next one, which is fourth one that we're going to talk about, is know how to design a graphics. People are doing different kind of events. People are having different kind of business, and they are willing to get what a graphic designer that can help them to brand their business. It can help people with different social media handle to create different graphic design to promote their social media handle. If it's for personal individual or for business sake, you can make a lot of money as a graphic design. There's a different area of graphic design. You can be a web design, you can be a graphic design, you can be UI UX design. There's a lot of way to be a what? A designer. So you can be a graphic design, and you can focus on different aspects. You can be a social media handle designer, so that you can design different reels, different graphics to post for individual or for business. As a graphic designer, you can make a lot of money this year. The fifth one, which is the last one, is if you don't have time to do all the other one, you should have time to do this. At least if you have a graduate or OND holder or HND holder, any one of it you can do this. This last one is by doing private private tutorial. You can help people who are just trying to transit from secondary school into the university. You can help them by training them, by organize private tutorial. You coach them and you help them to pass their exam. Doing this is going to make you a lot of money by setting up a private tutorial. And if you are good on this very well, you have a lot of people calling you to come and help their children, to help them to cross over from secondary school to university. If you are really good in any subject, you can begin a private tutorial. Since this five step or five procedure or five ways to make money online is very very easy. If you know how what to do this year, begin to do it in time. So when you start in time, we are still in January. When you start in time, you can plan very well and beginning to develop yourself so that you will know what and what to put in place before you start any one of these business. Starting this business in time will help you to make a lot of money before the end of this year. Don't just sit down and be waiting for someone to be giving you 2K, 5K. You also can begin to do something. Don't just sit down without doing anything. It's very, very important to find your route, to find your way in time, so that as this year going, you also can have something to do and start making money. In this economic of tipping, you need to start doing something. And these five ways to make money online, if you know how to do any one of it, put effort, and I see you making me a lot of money from it. See you in my next tutorial. If you like this tutorial, I can't you just help me to click a subscription button below my YouTube video. And if you want to know wherever I'm dropping a new video, kindly click the notification button so that you'll be the first of people that's going to be notified wherever I'm dropping a new video. Thank you and see you at the top.